Bird! Bird! Hey, wake up, bird! Hey, bird!
What?
Look who's here!
Who?
Yeah.
Hi, it's me, Big Bird. I was waiting for you, and I guess I fell asleep. So, phew. Welcome to Sesame Street. Thanks, dinosaur.
You're welcome!
Ooh, look, I got a letter. And it happens to be the letter L, which is lovely because today is the letter L day. Yes, all the videos and games in the playlist have the letter L in them. And ooh, what's that? Huh? What are you laughing at, Lemon? Oh, wait a minute. I understand. Laugh and lemon are both L words. I love it. Oh, I know what this is. It's the green play button. You click on it to start the playlist. See? 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 You can click on the big green play button if you want to. That's how you start today's playlist. Oh, hi, welcome back. While you were away, I made up a poem on the computer. Here it is. I love my computer. It is very dear. This is the mouse. The keyboard's over here. The end. Thank you. Now, on to something else that's fun to do on the computer. Hey, do you see those buttons up there? Well, click on them for more things to see and do. To play games, move your star to this blue button, and then click. To watch Sesame Street videos, click on this orange button right here. Great. For more playlists of games and videos, click on this purple button. Click on this red button to visit your Sesame Street friends. See? To go to your own My Street section, where you can keep your favorite videos and games, click on the pink button. To choose one of these buttons, move your star to it and click. Go ahead, give it a try. Don't forget, today is letter L day.